Today, I was invited to Thailand's house blessing or house warming party. They call it Khuan Baan Mai, meaning going into a new house or blessing a new house. Thai people regard this occasion as a very auspicious event. This is because this ceremony marks the completion of a new dwelling, or renovation, by bringing close family and friends together to celebrate and encourage good fortune for the occupants of the new house. Before the ceremony, the host will consult with monks or senior lay people to determine a suitable day. The auspicious day depends on the week's day and the year's time. In the house blessing ceremony, monks play an important role. As odd numbers are considered lucky, monks will usually be invited in odd numbers, such as 5, 7, or 9. Monks traditionally bless the host and guests after the morning ceremony, which lasts until noon. The ritual traditionally involves using lustral water contained in a bronze pot. A Buddhist monk may use their alms bowls to hold lustral water. When lustral water is being prepared, wax candles are usually placed on the bowl's rim. It is thought that disease, grief, and evil are washed away as wax drips fall into the bowl. 4 elements, earth, water, fire, and wind, combine to create the purest, most holy water. The wax drips stand in for earth, the water in the bowl for water, the candle flame for fire, and the candle extinguish for wind.
ปันโนภะคะวะโตสาวกสังโฆอุตตมสังโฆยายะปฏิปันโนภะคะวะโตสาวกสังโฆสามีจิปฏิปันโนภะคะวะโตสาวกสังโฆยะทิตังกัตตาริภะอุทะโยมาอุทะโยอาทินโยอันนาริ
In addition to prayers, monks bless visitors by sprinkling them with lustral water. Then, a meal will be served, and gifts will be presented to the monks after the ceremony. In light of the current COVID situation, the lunch was prepared for the monk to take back to the temple. The monks must finish their meal before noon. The gift set typically includes essential daily necessities and a banana leaf cone with flowers, candles, and joss sticks, drinking water, soap, detergent, toothbrush, shampoo, and food such as biscuits or crackers. Along with these particular presents for the monks, there is typically a sealed envelope containing a contribution to assist the temple. As part of the ceremony, the monks will perform the rite by sprinkling lustral, or holy water, on the host, visitors, and all over the new home. Next, the monk will bless the new family by giving each member a wrist binding made of white holy thread. The primary Buddha image in the house is likewise encircled with the sacred thread or sai seam. Following the blessing, the monks depart, and the guests join the host for lunch. A large variety of food is prepared for the occasion, and selecting the meals is crucial. Popular dishes include Thai curries, which are frequently served with Thai vermicelli. Everyone will receive dessert as well. Desserts with the name Thom, which in Thai means golden, represent wealth and wonderful life for everyone. The housewarming ritual, or Khuan Baan Mai, is a custom passed down from generation to generation in Thailand. It is a ritual that combines Buddhist principles with social norms and Thai customs. It is a beautiful occasion for family members to get together and celebrate the moment, deepening their bonds and strengthening their sense of warmth. Thank you for joining me at this housewarming party. Please click on the subscribe button if you are here for the first time. To all who watch, do give me a like and comment, as this will encourage me to create more of this type of video for you.